Hey everyone. Um, we're gonna do something a little different today. I thought I'd do this video real quick. It's gonna be short, but I wanted to show you something because I got a question. Somebody emailed me. Um, Barlow's just got some tabs in. They call them closeout tabs. It's on the new products page, and they're gonna add more over time, from what I was told. But I got a really good deal. I got a bunch of these. But what you've seen is some of them are in what's called a bulk tab. And I wanted to show you what the bulk tab is and how to deal with it. It's just like a curtain like this. Now, you might think, oh, I'm going to have to go try to figure out how many strands in and cut them. No, I don't know if you're going to be able to see this, but every so often there is a cut right up at the top. So just find little cuts, take your scissors, clip. It's the same way on the back side, the exact same spot. They're all marked. Clip. Same way. You could keep going on and on. Um, all I was doing, I just had some music on the background, and I did like 6 of these. I mean, it's fast and easy. You get a regular tab out of it. There's no magic involved. You don't have to go through any specialized process. You don't have to count them out and try to figure out where to cut at. There's spots in there that are ready to cut. So if the price of this is a barbed wire tab, blue glitter. Um, it was sold out for a long time on fishing skirts, and when I seen this and at the price they had it at, I jumped right on it. So if you see that, you might want get some skirt tabs, some colors that you like. Not all of them are bulk tab, but some of them are. And like I said, I got a question about it, so I wanted to do this. But if you go there and you find a color you want and you see bulk tab, now you know what it is. Don't be afraid of it, and the price is excellent for what you're getting. So no difference in how it comes, or no difference in what you get. It's just they come in one piece, but there's slits. So it's not even like you have to count anything out. It's easy to cut them and separate them. Just a quick update like that for you, is because, as I said, somebody did ask me about it and they were a little worried. What's a bulk tab? They seen what it was, but they were thinking they might have to count all the strands out. You don't. There's cuts every so often, so you can clip them. That's how they count them, to figure out how many you're getting. Um, and another thing is, you go order 100 of these, you're getting more than 100 tabs, because the manufacturer, it looks like they put like 26 or 24 instead of 22. So if you order 100, you're going to get a significant amount more. You know, if you want to actually take a single tab and customize it, take a half a tab, a quarter tab, 5 strands here or there. That's actually a really good way of doing it, because you order 100 of them and you're actually getting more when you think about it. But that's it. That's a bulk tab. That's how you deal with it. Real easy, simple, fast. Put some music on and cut them up, and you're good to go. Uh, Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, shoot me an email, smalljaw67@gmail.com. Have a good one. Enjoy your Sunday. Thanks.